What's hiding in the belly fat? Part 5. Hey there, this is Bronwen Oehlschlager, and we are talking about living life free of emotional eating and loving yourself slim. And in this series of videos, we are discussing what's hiding in the belly fat area. And this abdominal area likes to hold all kinds of emotions, and if you've noticed that maybe this is the most tricky part to get rid of, sometimes it's the thighs or whatever, we're going to cover that in future, but this abdominal area holds a lot of emotions, and I found 46 things, and today we're going to talk about one of them. Thing number 5 is feeling obligated to always be the one to fix other people's problems. You've got to be the strong one all the time. You've got to be the one who listens to everybody. You've got to be the one who helps everybody and solves everybody's problems, but you're not actually taking care of you. You're always giving, but never receiving. And when we do that, we are not expressing our emotions in a healthy way. We're shoving them down because we can't take care of ourselves. And I invite you to flick that one. It's time to really argue with that. If you are feeling like you are not allowed to take care of yourself, and you're only allowed to be in service of other people, just not you. You're not worthy of that. You gotta not, you're not allowed to even feel. Then you're pushing all of that down into your abdominal area, and it is hurting you. And I invite you to take this down the rabbit hole. What are the things that you find that, just based on what I just said, that could be true of this, where you're taking care of somebody else, but not yourself on a regular basis? It is not selfish to take care of you. In fact, there's this philosophy that I adhere to that has really served me, where you've got to love yourself so much, genuinely, before you can actually genuinely love somebody else. It requires you. It's like putting on the oxygen mask on you first so that you can then take care of somebody else. You've got to love yourself. It's absolutely unselfish. It increases your ability to love other people even more. So I invite you to just put on a new belief that's really helpful and see if it helps you feel better. Thanks for watching. This has been really fun. 5 things so far, and we've got more to come. I've got a total of 46 things that are stored in your belly fat. So subscribe, hit the bell, more is coming. And you can also go to realandslim.com and get my complete slim down cheat sheet. I got 3 secrets, and I go over each one of them with you so that you can start taking action on the things that will help you really release that belly fat once all of the emotions are shifted out of them. But these are physical things that you can do today, as well as how to shift the beliefs that we're talking about and how to get a little extra support in my free Real and Slim tribe. I will talk to you next time.